Dearly beloved, we are gathered here in the presence of God to join together Derek, Franklin, Kirshner, and Laurel Faith Long in marriage.
Derek, I never dreamed I would find someone like you. I remember praying many nights specifically for someone who loved like Jesus, who would make me a better version of myself, and someone who would never go a day without making me laugh. God must have been listening very carefully those nights because he led me to you.
Laurel Faith, I've dreamed of this day and just knew it would come since the first time I met you. Since we have been together, I've learned you are patient, understanding, and most definitely caring to me. I've grown with you watching you turn into a beautiful woman and know you're going to be the bride that is made for me. We have done so much together, from going through school together to adventures all over, and can't wait to continue doing so. Also cannot wait to see what our lifetime of marriage brings us, and am excited to make a family and home together.
I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I cannot wait to see what we will look like when we were old, somewhere in a cabin, maybe, and in the mountains. I can't wait to see the memories we make. I'll see you at the aisle, your future wife. I promise to spend every day of my life loving you. I promise to lift you up when you fall, do better about making dinner, and try my very best to put a smile on your face like you do mine. I promise to keep God first in our lives together, and I always promise to be yours.
I am so glad that God brought us together, and know you will look amazing today and always will. I can't wait to cherish life with you together and love you forever.
Promise to remember this day forever. I always knew it was you. I will love you forever and ever, to the mountains and back. Now let's get married.
By the authority vested in me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I now pronounce you husband and wife, whom God has joined together. Let no man separate. Derek, you may kiss your bride.
As you move into your marriage, I give you one piece of advice that Mom and Dad gave me and Sydney, and I remember this from when I was little. They said, treat your marriage as a triangle. The two of you are at the bottom, put God at the top, and as you grow closer to God, you won't have a choice but to grow closer to each other as well.
I cannot believe today is your wedding day. I'm so proud of you and happy for you. I know your Grandpa RV is watching down from heaven, smiling from ear to ear tonight. I am so glad that you two found each other. I truly couldn't have picked a better match for Laurel than you. I can see it all over your faces, how in love y'all are with each other.
We're so happy to have Derek joining our family and to have the two families coming together as one. I love y'all both. Please join me in raising your glass in a toast to a happy marriage and life together. To Derek and Laurel.